Navy Vet 76 out at the range with the Swedish rolling block in 8x58 rimmed. I'm trying a different load today, shooting at 50 yards. And this time I'm not using a cotton ball filler. I'm following the suggestion of one of the guys in the rolling block group. I am using a
Alright, shooter, back down range. Now, it looks like we're ready. Where's he at? Where'd he go? There he is. Ready on the line, shooter. Go forward, load fire.
Sorry about that. 226 grain round nose, flat bottom, gas check, powder coated bullet, and it is at 326.5 thousandths diameter. I brought the diameter up as well, and we're going to see how it does. Alright, the last time I shot these, they were a little slow, so I wanted to bring the speed up as well. So the diameter is about 1/1000th bigger than groove diameter. So, let's see how they work. Start a group. And we're connected. I don't know how they'll do without the cotton ball filler, but I was assured they'll work just fine. Yeah, it's having all kinds of issues here. I believe it started. Oh Lord, sorry, everything's a mess here. And I lost my group. I don't know what's going on here. It should have had a new group. Alright, I don't know if we're connected or not. It doesn't seem to be doing anything. Sorry about all the delay. I think we're going to be at like 400, if I remember right last time. (1,461 feet per second). I did bring the speed up a little. Fourteen 1436. $14.49. $13.92.
There should be an
1405.
at a 50 yards.
I don't know, look through the scope. See what we got. Alright, they're grouping, but they're shooting low. So, bring that up again.
Those two shots are all in one hole. 31. All you have to do is push that forward and rotate it, not push knock down.
1422.
And you want to pull it out. Move your knife out. Yeah, couple shots in there.
1407.
Super light. Don't put your finger on the trigger. Just look for the
1443.
right bullseye. And here, you get the support on the back so you get more accurate. All you have to do is pull that trigger. You can take it up and move on the back. Like pick the gun up and put it on the back so it's at the right height.
1459.
You can step back further back and forward.
1468.
Yeah, you're too far back.
All right. Let's check it again. Well, that time we were shooting a little high. I know where to aim now. It's grouping okay at 50 yards. I can't imagine that it would be any good at 100. It'd just spread out a little more. But it's fun trying to get these to shoot. I really enjoy reloading and getting things to work.
Now I see it.
1469. I'm working on a 7mm mounted rolling block long rifle. I've had it for a while. I rebarreled it recently. And the tang up here, this little piece broke off about a year ago. I held it welded and the weld started to crack. So we're working on that. It seems to shoot better with the newer barrel. It's an antique barrel, but it's got better rifling in it. So that's another rolling block.
1 minute to ceasefire. 1 minute.
Another rolling block project I'm working on.
You're right.
I enjoy shooting rolling blocks.
You should be higher than that.
Trying to get some more downrange before the ceasefire. So we're running right around 1,430 feet per second. I'm getting ready to call it.
Ceasefire. Ceasefire. Ceasefire on the fire line. Make the fire line safe. Place the firearm on the bench. Magazine out. Tap the scope. Shaker flash in place. Shooter stand behind yellow line.
Now there was my first group. My second group was up here, and my third group was right here. Not bad.